Everybody, my name is Ayush Paramba. This is my video for the research milestone for my Capstone project, and I just wanted to quickly show you guys how to run the app locally and briefly mention the tech stack that we're using. So real quickly, for the mobile tech stack, we're using React Native with the Expo SDK. We're using React Navigation. We're also using Firebase Authentication and Firestore for all database management systems, as well as TypeScript. Specifically, we are using Expo Go to run the application on our iOS devices, as we have some Windows developers and it's easier to overcome that block that we have with iOS development and Windows laptops. So real quick, to just run the application for my local version that I have set up right here is just to make sure that you're in the innermost research directory, and the command you have to run is just npm start. I have it preloaded here because it does take a second for it to load up on my machine. But once you run that command, you will see all of these logs as well as the QR code that's used to run the application on the Expo Go app on iOS. Hey everybody, so this is the iOS build that I was talking about before. So welcome to Rent Connect. For the sake of this demo and for the features that I have implemented with our little demo here, I'm going to go ahead with an already created account with a few listings attached to it already. So once you log in, you have this dashboard. It shows you your active properties, your monthly revenue, your average rent per month, and the total number of beds that you're renting out. And there's a few other pieces of information that we will be continuing to update as we build out our application. But the main thing I wanted to show you guys today is the listings page. Here, as a landlord, you can show off or you can review the listings that you already have posted out there. If you click on it just directly, it will show you kind of what the user or your tenants would see if they were to look it up. So you can see the title of the location itself, the actual address, the details of it, a description, and the option to email or call the landlord who is offering this place. Or you can click the edit button here, and let's say I want to change the rent for this to just $2,000. Maybe somebody else will decide to come here if the rent's a little bit lower, review everything else, all of it makes sense, hit save changes. And you can see how the rent over here at the top, which was $2,400, has now changed to $2,000. Similarly, you can also just delete a listing if you don't want anybody living there. And just like that, it's gone and you won't be able to see it. You can also view the tenants that you have and their status on their rent, whether they're overdue, pending, or paid. And you can see their rent amount, the due date, their phone number, and their email. And you can also click the email or call button from here. And then, of course, we have our basic profile page. This will also continue to be updated as we build out this product, but it just shows your simple information like your email, your member since, your full name, all of that information, and the option to sign out. That is Rent Connect. Thank you for watching.